Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in automotive tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who's faced the frustration of a cracked windshield, the KMOOL Windshield Repair Kit. This little kit promises to be your best companion in fixing those unsightly cracks quickly and effectively. Stick around as we explore its features, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. Now, what makes the KMOOL Windshield Repair Kit stand out? First off, it's designed to repair small chips and cracks in your windshield with ease. Whether you've got a pesky rock chip or a star-shaped crack, this kit claims to handle them all. Let's dive into its key features. The kit comes with everything you need, no mixing required, which simplifies the process. It includes a powerful resin that fills and reinforces the damaged area, making those blemishes nearly invisible. One thing I love about this kit is its user-friendliness. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to use it. The instructions are straightforward, and you can complete the repair in just 20 to 30 minutes. Which is perfect for those who want a quick fix without the hassle of visiting a repair shop. It's not just for windshields either. You can use it on various types of laminated glass, including car windows, motorcycles, RVs, and more. So, if you're an avid DIYer or just want to save some bucks on professional repairs, this could be a game changer. Let's talk about performance. Does it really make cracks disappear? From our tests, it does a commendable job of minimizing the appearance of cracks and chips, which not only improves visibility but also prevents them from spreading further. For those small repairs, this kit could potentially save you hundreds of dollars in the long run. In conclusion, the KMOOL Windshield Repair Kit is a solid choice for anyone dealing with minor windshield damage. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and provides quick results. While it won't magically erase every imperfection, it certainly does its job well. So, if you're looking to tackle those annoying cracks and chips yourself, this might just be the best cracked dashboard repair kit you've been searching for. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and automotive tips. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.